Hello, everyone. I'm Jon Atli Benediktsson, Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering at the University of Iceland. Thank you for joining me today as I introduce myself in my new role as Editor-in-Chief of IEEE Press. Let me start with a brief overview of my background. I received my first degree in electrical engineering from the University of Iceland in 1984, followed by master's and PhD degrees from Purdue University in 1987 and 1990, respectively. Since returning to Iceland in 1991, I have served as a professor at the University of Iceland and for 10 years as president and rector of the university. My research centers on remote sensing, pattern recognition, image processing, signal processing, and biomedical signal analysis. I have authored or co-authored more than 400 research papers and co-authored the book Spectral Spatial Classification of Hyperspectral Remote Sensing Images. I'm deeply honored to be an international member of the U.S. National Academy of Engineering, a fellow of IEEE and SPIE, and a member of Academia Europe. IEEE is the world's largest non-profit professional association dedicated to advancing technology, with over 500,000 members across more than 160 countries. My engagement with IEEE began early and remains one of the most rewarding aspects of my career. In 2000, I was the founding chairman of the IEEE Iceland section, which is now celebrating its 25th anniversary. Within the IEEE Geoscience and Remote Sensing Society, GRSS, I joined the Administrative Committee in 2000, chaired the Data Fusion Technical Committee, served as Editor-in-Chief of the IEEE Transactions on Geoscience and Remote Sensing from 2003 to 2008, and was privileged to serve as GRSS President in 2011 and 2012. These experiences have shown me the tremendous power of our community, how we collaborate to advance knowledge, support one another, and shape the future of technology. Now you can ask, why focus on books and on IEEE Press in particular? From my own experience as an author and editor, I have seen their unique value firsthand. Journal articles provide precise, cutting-edge insights, but books deliver the in-depth, comprehensive synthesis that students, researchers, and practicing engineers truly need. A well-crafted book becomes a trusted resource, one you return to time and again for foundational principles and innovative solutions. In our rapidly evolving fields of electrical engineering, computer science, and related disciplines, books uniquely bridge the gap between fundamental discoveries and practical real-world impact. You may ask, how did you come to lead IEEE Press? Well, having served on the IEEE Press editorial board since 2020, I gained direct insight into the program's remarkable influence and reach. When the opportunity arose to take on the editor-in-chief role starting in 2026, I accepted with great enthusiasm, drawing on my long history of IEEE service and my strong commitment to excellence in scholarly publishing. Now, what sets IEEE Press apart? In short, it is the premier imprint for books in electrical engineering, computer science, and allied fields, renowned for its prestige, rigor, and authority. Our thorough peer review process guarantees that every title is timely, authoritative, and of the highest quality. Authors benefit from unparalleled global visibility through IEEE Explore, the world's leading digital library for engineering and technology. Furthermore, we have a wide range of distribution channels, dedicated marketing support, and personalized editorial guidance from experienced series editors and professional staff. Simply put, IEEE Press is where leading experts publish books that genuinely advance the profession. At IEEE Press, we take particular pride in our diverse portfolio of more than 15 book series, including computational intelligence, biomedical engineering, power and energy systems, communications technologies, control systems, robotics and automation, and microelectronic systems. The book series are intentionally crafted to serve both academic researchers and industry practitioners, welcoming contributions that span theoretical breakthroughs and applied innovations. Looking ahead for IEEE Press, we are actively expanding several series into high-impact emerging areas such as AI-driven technologies, sustainability, and human-machine systems. We are also attracting more submissions that effectively bridge theory and practice, enhancing our digital formats, strengthening our liaison program with the 39 technical societies of IEEE, and boosting global engagement. Our goal is to make IEEE Press even more accessible, influential, and dynamic. In closing, I warmly invite researchers, educators, engineers, and innovators everywhere to connect with us. Whether you have a book proposal in mind, an early-stage idea you would like to discuss, interest in joining one of our series editorial boards, or simply want to explore how IEEE Press can support your work, please reach out. Together, let us continue producing the authoritative, enduring books that will shape the next era of electrical engineering, computer science, and beyond.